my name's Alex. I study economics at LSE. I moved in just over a week ago. So the apartment's very white, very grey, very empty. Needs something added to it to make it a bit more comfortable to live in. Yes, I've bought IKEA before. Who hasn't? I think I'd be really good at putting together the furniture.
There's like a real coming of age feel when you go to IKEA as well, that you come in and you're like, ah, I'm doing something exciting, like even whether you're redecorating your bedroom when you're like young or whether you're moving out.
Yeah, it's like going on a little adventure. You sort of wander through all the departments and choose out the bits you like.
Although the colours here are a bit more vibrant, they might not be to your taste, it's also quite nice to have a bit of mix of materials, so like having a metal or something added into your room is quite nice.
Did you see that?
If you wanted to, you can add extra storage underneath, so you can get another smaller drawer unit to sit underneath.
And did you know what it's called?
I think I've just noticed.
It's called Alex!
Wow, that's just sealed the deal just right
Fate.
there. So, this is the room.
Amazing! Oh, I'm really excited to get going. We did it!
Yeah, it looks great, doesn't it?
It looks so good. How do you feel now it's all done?
Really good. I'm really excited to try the speaker lamp, and the mattress feels really comfortable.
I'm so impressed that I used a drill for the first time, and
Exactly.
the bed was so, I didn't even need it. I was like, yes! Are you happy?
Yeah, definitely. It's much better than sleeping on a mattress on the floor.
I bet. It looks so amazing. And yeah, now that's all that's left to do is just to sleep here and get to work on your new
Yeah,
desk.
and sit on the table and chairs on the balcony.
Thank you so much for watching. Follow the link in the description for the chance to win an IKEA voucher worth up to £1,000.